today's video, I'm going to show you an unboxing of a very special watch, something I've been wanting to pick up for a long time. So you can see I'm actually wearing something within the family, my Bulova Precisionist Champlain. But what we got here is something very special. It's a Bulova Lunar Pilot. This is a reference number 98A186. Is a black version, this PVD version. As you can see, this one doesn't have the date. Now we'll do a separate review. For now, I'm just going to talk real quick about the specs and my thoughts on this watch. Since I did not know what to expect, I do have a 6.5-inch wrist, so I was very nervous to get this watch, as I hear it is a very large watch. Now, speaking of large, it measures in at 45 millimeters. Lug to lug is 52 millimeters. Lug width is 20 millimeters. Water resistance of 50 meters. It does feature a push-pull crown. The strap is made out of leather, very nice leather too. It has some black PVD sign keepers. Movement, we're talking the 262 KHS high performance quartz. Of course, that's a proprietary movement to Bulova. Sapphire crystal, which is beautiful. And once you engage, that chronograph is super cool, and the reason why is because for 30 seconds that 1/10 of a second goes super crazy, and then it just kind of slows down to conserve battery. So that's very, very cool. It's a very cool feature, and I like the pushers on this just because they're not like your typical chronograph. They're a little squared, and it's super satisfying clicking these pushers. Luminescence on this guy is very, very nice, and as I said, it does come with a leather. It's not a NATO strap because you have to kind of put it on just like a normal strap would go, but it's pretty cool nonetheless. It's branded. It's very nice. In this particular model, it retails for $595. However, I got this on special. It's brand new, but it was what they call B stock, and as you can see right here, I will show you, Bulova actually marked it with a B. It bothered me at first, but to be honest with you, I ended up picking up for an amazing value. So yeah, this is a great watch. I really recommend it, and thank you so much for watching. Take care, my friends.